In today's video, we're diving into the world of being a first-time landlord. Renting out your home can provide numerous benefits, but it's important to understand the responsibilities and challenges that come with it. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step, offering valuable insights to help you navigate this new endeavor successfully. Knock knock, Yitzchak here, realtor and success coach. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about selling or investing in real estate, then subscribe below and tap that bell icon for notifications so you can be the first to learn the best tips and tricks for real estate. I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. I'm happy to help you make your next move a smooth process. Let's get started. I'm going to give you 6 steps to better prepare you for being a successful landlord. Number 1, the benefits of renting. Renting out your home can be a lucrative opportunity. Here are a few benefits to consider. Supplemental income. Generate a steady stream of income to cover your mortgage or expenses. Property appreciation. Benefit from the potential property value appreciation over time. Tax advantages. Tax advantage of various tax deductions related to property, maintenance, repairs, and mortgage interest. Number 2, you have to consider legal considerations. Before proceeding, it's crucial to understand the legal aspects of being a landlord. Here's what you need to know. Local laws. Research and comply with local laws and regulations governing rental properties in your area. Lease agreements. Create a comprehensive lease agreement that outlines the terms and conditions of the tenancy. Number 3, you will want to prepare your home. To attract potential tenants and ensure a smooth rental experience, take the following steps to prepare your home. Repairs. Address any necessary repairs or maintenance tasks before listing your property. Safety measures. Prioritize tenant safety by installing smoke detectors and security features. Number 4 is finding a good tenant. Finding a reliable and responsible tenant is crucial. Follow these steps for searching for a tenant. Advertising. Advertising your rental property through various channels, highlighting its key features and amenities. Screening. Conduct thorough background checks, employment verification, and contact references. Number 5 is setting rental terms. Establishing clear rental terms is essential. Consider these factors. Your rent price. Determine the competitive yet affordable rent price based on the market research and property value. Lease duration. Decide on what lease duration that suits your goals and preferences. Number 6 is managing the rental. Once you have a tenant, effective management is crucial. Consider these aspects. Communication. Maintain open and clear communication with your tenant, promptly addressing inquiries and concerns. Maintenance. Regularly inspect the property, address maintenance requests promptly, and ensure it remains in good condition. Becoming a first-time landlord can be a rewarding experience with the right approach. By understanding the benefits, legal considerations, and the necessary steps involved, you can lay a strong foundation for success. Stay informed about the local laws, communicate effectively with your tenants, and prioritize property maintenance. With these insights, you're ready to embark on your journey as a successful first-time landlord. That wraps up my comprehensive guide to being a first-time landlord. I hope you found this information valuable and you feel more confident in your ability to rent out your home. And remember, whether you're thinking about moving in 9 or 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Until next time, have a great one.